Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about taking a screenshot on your Chromebook. This is a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is locate the Control key on your keyboard as well as the Show Windows key. So if you go up to the top of your keyboard, it's equivalent of the F5 key on a typical PC keyboard layout. So if you look at the top, there should be the Escape key, left arrow key, right arrow key, refresh, and then two keys after that should be a little Show Windows key. So you want to go ahead and tap the Control and Show Windows key on your keyboard at the same time here. And you notice that you'll get a little screenshot notification saying the screenshot has been taken, and you can also share in the folder as well as copying it to your clipboard. So if you had some Gmail chat open or something like that, you want to just copy and then paste it in, you can. So we can go copy that to the clipboard, and then if you wanted to paste it somewhere, you would be able to. And if we select the other option, so let's go underneath where it says show in folder, let's go ahead and just left click on that, and you can see we've taken quite a few screenshots at this point. So here it is, guys. It's in your downloads folder at this point, and if you click on the open button, you can open it up in a bigger image here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And you have the option to edit it. So you want to go click on the image, you can go ahead and modify. You have the tools down here. You also have the option to print the image as well as deleting it. And then you can also put it in a slideshow view here. So if you had multiple images, you could slide them back and forth. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.